The Gechain XL Oven Air Fryer Basket Set is a great addition to any kitchen. It comes with 2 pieces. You get a large air fryer basket and a baking sheet. The basket lets air circulate around your food. This makes your food crispy, just like frying. However, it uses less oil. The baking sheet can catch any drips. It also works for baking cookies. This set is very useful and easy to clean. It helps you make healthier meals. The Gechain XL Oven Air Fryer Basket Set has a large capacity. It measures 17.5 inches by 11.8 inches. This means you can cook more food at once. It is perfect for families or when you have guests. The stainless steel material is strong and durable. It can withstand high oven temperatures. The gray color looks nice in most ovens. If you want to air fry or roast in your oven, this set is a good choice. It offers a simple way to achieve crispy results. Overall, the Gechain XL Oven Air Fryer Basket Set is a worthwhile purchase. It acts like a magic wand for healthier cooking. You can enjoy the taste of fried food without all the extra oil. The 2-piece set gives you versatility in the kitchen. It's easy to use and clean. For anyone looking to upgrade their oven cooking, this Gechain XL Oven Air Fryer Basket Set is a solid option. It helps make cooking easier and healthier. Pros: extra large size, stainless steel, 2-piece set, oven air fryer, baking sheet, cookie sheet. Roasting basket, gray color, large capacity, versatile use. Cons: large capacity, stainless steel 2-piece set, extra large, basket, baking sheet, cookie sheet. Features: extra large size, stainless steel, oven air fryer, large capacity 17.5 by 11.8 inches. Baking sheet, cookie sheet, roasting basket, gray color 2-piece set. This Gechain 2-piece set includes an extra large, 17.5 by 11.8 inches, gray, stainless steel air fryer basket and a baking sheet designed for oven use. This large capacity makes it suitable for air frying, baking cookies, and roasting, offering a way to cook more food at once. This Gechain 2-piece set includes an extra large, gray air fryer basket and tray made of stainless steel, designed for oven use. With its large capacity, 17.5 by 11.8, it can function as an oven air fryer, baking sheet, cookie sheet, and roasting basket, offering versatile cooking options.